Good Midwest morning, everyone. This is Nicole, your mobile bloggist for toctown.com. And for today's December dailies, I wanted to share with you what I bring with me when I go on my express channels as well as my production posts for toctown.com. Now, mind you, these planner presentations go to become podcast ready posts where I share tips, tools, and artisan admin techniques. And this season, I will be back in the studio, not only sewing, but also documenting my journey as a choreographer. So if you want to join me, be sure to sign in to toctown.com. But just to share with you the bag that I brought with me and also the TNs, the books, as well as the dedicated devices that I use while on the road. Here's my wallet. Of course, you need to keep your finances separate. And I really like this bag because you can compartmentalize, that's my makeup, as well as separate things that may spill out or you don't want to mix one element with the other, because I do film what I travel with, what I read about, in addition to professional developments that I include in my A5 ring size planner. And of course, if you want to know more information, I do have field notes available for you on my Patreon account, which is patreon.com/TOC And I'm trying to dig down deep and let you see what all is in my bag as well as what I bring with me, because a lot of the times it gets a little bit chilly. It is now officially winter here in the Midwest, and I rather be warm than cold while I'm filming. So even if I need to take my coat or scarf off, it's really not a big deal. As long as I have my beverages with me along with my dedicated device. I'm actually filming on my Microsoft Surface RT. I have my Nikon Coolpix, which also that's the stand for when I want to do some desk planner shots, as well as wrap it around, different shelving pieces where I have to use an overhead camera and really just need to stick it somewhere and not really have to deal with how to position the tripod after I put my camera into position. And of course, living in the Midwest, not only do I drive, but I also like to hop on the trains and head on out to the Chicagoland area. So this month, I want to invite you to participate in a December daily challenge, which I am studying the book of Proverbs. I'm taking one chapter per day and asking myself, as well as you, does bartering still work? A lot of times when we start our small business or even start supporting small business owners, you want to bring a set of skills as well as tools, not only the tips that you have tried, but also the ones that have remained true over the years. So I invite you to sign into the guest guide in toctown.com. Join me for a Café con Leche conversation where I discuss what I've learned throughout the years, as well as the special event plans that have been challenging, as well as produce a lot of solutions for small business owners. Okay, I'm Nicole, your mobile bloggist for toctown.com. Take care.